The Jimny Sierra has always felt like a dependable friend, simple, capable, and ready to head out the moment you are. This new Jimny Sierra's Gear web video leans into that spirit. It does not just flash shiny parts, it shows how genuine accessories blend into real life, from a last-minute grocery run to a sunrise trail with your favorite people. That is the point of factory gear done right. It is not an add-on. It is part of the car's character. You see roof carriers and storage solutions that look clean and purposeful. You notice how the spare wheel cover, side body protection, and mud flaps make the Sierra look tougher without trying too hard. The interior touches are the quiet heroes. Rubber mats that handle mud and coffee spills, cargo trays that keep the back neat when camping gear or a stroller tries to take over. It is all designed to fit perfectly, to not rattle, and to last. There is a practical comfort here. Genuine accessories mean correct fitment, tested materials, and hardware that will not fight you. The video reminds you that small upgrades can make daily life smoother. A roof rack that carries the bulky stuff, tie-down points that keep things steady, and utility hooks that stop the little annoyances before they start. It is less about building a show car and more about building your car. The visuals also nudge you toward weekends. A towbar hints at bikes and small trailers. Protective trim says you will not worry about brush or loose gravel. Subtle style pieces give the Sierra a bit more presence in photos without shouting at everyone in the parking lot. If you already love the way it drives, this is about loving the way it works for you. What I appreciate is the tone. It is not a hard sell. It invites you to imagine where you are going next and how the right kit can remove friction. Maybe that is why the message lands. Capability is not only power and angles. Capability is having the right gear in the right place when you need it. If this video pushes you to personalize your Sierra, start with how you actually live. City first. Go for protection and storage. Trails most weekends, think racks, guards, and washable surfaces. Keep it honest, keep it useful, and let the look follow function.